Hey, what's up, traders? This is analysis for the Euro USD, and here is a couple nice things which are giving us the clue what is going on. So, first of all, let me zoom out a little bit, and I want to show you this channel and the level where the price is reacting right now, right? So, we have this channel which we have been able to draw after the creating this impulse, and we have created this second top, right? So after having this, we can connect all these two and we can project where it could be the bottom. So we have the first reaction and then the second reaction in this daily zone as well, right? So this daily zone, why? Because from here we have seen the strong breakout of these previous highs, right? So that means that the institutions has been trading there, and that's the potential zone where the price could do some reactions. So right now, let's go back and try to understand what was going on, and let's try to put it to the confluences with the COT data, because this time it's quite clear what's going on and what the banks has been doing in here, right? So if you look at this range, which has been here since the 23rd November, which has started in here and been actually until this almost the 3 weeks ago. So what's been happening in here, right? So we basically can see the range, something is going on in here, right? And nothing telling us. So if we look to the COT data, what we can see is basically that from this 23rd November, which has been a report of the COT data in here, the banks had 220k shorts positions, right? So they've been pushing the price down, and they had this extreme in here. Since then, they've been moving price in this range until the 12th December, which is in here, right? So what they did, they reduced their short positions from the 22k to the 198, and they actually growth their longs positions from the, okay, they've been closing them and then they start to build them again in here. So from here they started to build the longs positions again. But in the end, what's most important for us is the final result, right? So what we can see is basically they growth their longs positions from 190k to the 213, and they close their shorts from 220 to 180. So if we want to see it a little bit more clearly, we can see that they've been minus 23k net positions, and they grow it until the plus 31k, which is actually a report in here which was last week, and we don't have the data for this, right? Because the another COT report will be released. They will have to report their positions today, so it will be released on the Friday. So but we know what they're doing, because if they spend 1 month in this range to reduce to growth their exposure from minus 23 to the 31, which is actually plus 50k contracts to the long sides. They didn't do that on just for something, right? So this was the fake. I actually had the losing trade in here, but I will start to build the position again here, and I will be expecting some move higher, even might into the middle band of this channel, right? So basically currently right now, what's going on in here? So we have the reaction. We know that the banks are being bullish. We know that we have this reaction on this daily zone. We are having the break of this 4 hours trend line. Let me bring it to the 4 hours. So this 4 hours trend line is slowly is being broken up, but we still have this zones above, right? So what I'm thinking that will happen probably most likely this week is that the price will come back down here. And why do I think that? Because if we go to the dollar index, we can see that the dollar index still has a room to go to the top of this channel. If you see my previous analysis here on the trading view or on the YouTube, you can see that basically here is still room to go higher to test this top of the channel. If that happen and dollar index will start to move higher, that means that the euro will make this move lower. But from here, if we will test this 4 hour zone again, which I think will happen, but if not, I don't know, in here I will be start to be very bullish, right? So basically what's going on in here, we can see that the banks has removed the big positions from their short side. They building their longs plus 50K. We have analyzed that in here thanks to the COT data. And we are seeing that they testing this channel, and here is the room to go higher. So what could be obstacles is definitely this daily trend line. Here is the 4 hour zone, daily zone, another daily zone. So if we are bullish, we will have to take some partial profits on these zones, right? Because of course it can broke up, even without the corrections. We all face that in the past. So yeah, we need to take some profits on the go up. So yeah, definitely I'm bullish, and think this is the scenario what's playing out in here. Have a happy trading, my friends. Bye bye.